Hi there, and welcome to Buzzer. This video is going to show you how easy it is to add content in your new Buzzer site, including how to insert images and embed videos. So I'm going to start off here with a new site that I set up, which has kitchen stuff in it. And what I want to do first is I'm just going to add a blog post, sort of the most straightforward piece of content. And you'll notice we have a title and a body. So I'm just going to put in the title of my post, which is about my fancy new chef's knife. And then I have a WYSIWYG toolbar here for formatting, which also has images and embedded media, which we'll look at in a second. I have some text I already have here, so I'm just going to paste that in. And so this is just a WYSIWYG editor, so I can highlight text and, you know, like say bold that or something. But I also want to put some media in here. So I'm going to put my cursor at the beginning because I want to put an image in. And you can see this is all of the images I already have uploaded, but I want to add a new image. I don't want to use an existing image. So I'm going to go ahead and click the upload button. And then I can browse on my desktop or on my local computer here. I have a picture of the fancy knife. I will open that up. And I'll go ahead and upload that. And that'll put the picture up on the site, and then it opens up some additional information for me to fill out. So I'm just going to put in a brief description here, which is sort of how I'll know what this picture is. And then there's alternate text and title text, and these are things like when you hover over the image and for screen readers and such like that. So you don't have to put it in, but it's a good idea. So I'll go ahead and post the image. Which actually gets it into Buzzer. And then I have a few other opportunities here to change things. You'll notice it tells me the size, which is kind of big. I just want a little picture. So I'm going to change the size down to thumbnail, and I'm going to align this to the left so that it shows at the beginning of my text, rather than like just smack in the middle somewhere. I also have this video here that I want to show, which is pretty cool if you're into using knives. When I click the embedded media, it's asking for a URL. So I'm going to cancel that and come back over here to my YouTube video, which is amazingly fast chopping. And then once I grab that URL, I'm just taking that right out of the browser and paste that in to my embedded media, and it sticks the video right into my post. Now I can't preview it because it's not going to play the flash in the editor itself, but it has marked out where that video is going to be, so I can see that. I'll add some tags, so we can add this to our little tagging pool here, and I'll go ahead and post it. And once we give it a second, it will pop up my new post. So it took me to the page that it created for me. And you can see we have the image got inserted, and so did the video, and I can click play, and we can watch some fast chopping. So it's pretty straightforward to add your content, especially embedded media and stuff like that. Really, really nice and simple. So we can go back and look at the home page here, and we'll just see the teaser part of it, where it kind of cut things off so it doesn't take over the front page, which you can also change that if you want. Now the next thing I want to look at is these gallery images, like I have in the sidebar here, are set up in a gallery that I have on the site. And so I want to look at how I can add images to that versus within an actual blog post. So when I go to the gallery, there's this add image link, because I'm the site admin and I can do that. Again, we have title, right? And I need the image, obviously. So again, I hit upload or browse so that I can then upload. And what gallery do I want it to be in? You can have multiple galleries on your site. I happen to only have one, but if I had more than one, I could select which gallery it should go in. And just like other content on the site, I'm going to go ahead and do tagging. So let me go ahead and just post this image. And there we have, it's getting uploaded, and now it's done. So now the image has been added to the site. By default, it comes with 5-star rating, so you can rate it. And you can see it's showing in the sidebar because it's now part of the gallery. If I go back to the gallery itself, you'll see that if I scroll down here, there it is part of my gallery. So this video has shown you how easy it is to add content to your Buzzer website. If you want to find out more information about other cool things that you can do with your site, go check out buzzer.com.